Unlocking the secrets of license examination. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase that you might come across in various professional fields: license examination. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping how professionals get certified in their respective fields. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this crucial process. At its core, license examination refers to a test or assessment that individuals must pass to obtain a license in a specific profession. This could be anything from healthcare, such as doctors and nurses, to technical fields like engineering or aviation. The examination ensures that the individual possesses the necessary skills, knowledge, and competence to perform their job safely and effectively. License examinations are vital for several reasons. Firstly, they protect the public by ensuring that professionals meet a standardized level of expertise. Secondly, they uphold the integrity of the profession by maintaining high standards. Lastly, passing these examinations opens doors to career opportunities, as it is a prerequisite for practicing in many fields. Preparing for a license examination requires dedication and strategic planning. Here are a few tips to help candidates succeed. Understand the exam format. Knowing whether the exam is multiple choice, essay-based, or practical can significantly affect your study strategy. Study regularly. Consistent study over time beats cramming all the information at the last minute. Seek resources. Use study guides, online courses, and practice tests to familiarize yourself with the exam content. Stay healthy. Remember, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep can boost your performance. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of license examination in various professional fields. Whether you're embarking on a career path that requires such an examination or just curious about how professionals get certified, understanding this process is beneficial. Remember, success in a license examination is a significant milestone in any professional's career. Good luck to all the aspiring professionals out there, and see you in the next video.